Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to the family. Guys, don't forget to like up the videos, comment more than one time, and turn on that post notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. It's early in the morning, just look a bit after 7. Woke up a long time ago, but just to get a chance to pick up the camera because Jason did a sleep. So I woke up, went to the kitchen, wash up the dishes because you know little stuff was there to wash, and yeah, I'm about to bed, make some breakfast because I know I always say, Angel, why you bed before you go into the kitchen, why not bed after? But guys, sometimes I do both. I'm not sure what we're gonna do today, but hopefully it's something nice because we want to cross some stuff off our list. So we went to Laco. What me I talk about, babe? Why me keep on call the place that?
Green Grotto.
Yeah, so we went to Green Grotto Cave, and that was so fun. Jason I gonna edit that so you guys can get it, but it was really fun. You couldn't record in there, you can only take pictures. So that's why that video didn't edit yet, because it kinda, you know, tedious to edit. You guys gonna get the house tour and the information for the Airbnb very soon. But for now, just enjoy these little vlogs. Baby, hungry?
Oh, time. I'm not yet.
You're not hungry yet?
Time so come for me feel hungry.
Guys, it's just nice and sweet.
Nice.
Guys, Jason said me if I stop playing with the ears, because me give ears depression. Baby, if me never remind you,
No,
girl, you wouldn't remember.
You can't even rest and feedback recovered before you do that. Right here, so you pain this.
Alright.
Baby.
Babe, I know me cause it. May I rub your head? You can't rub your head. Guys, when Jason said me if I stop playing with the ears, I just rest my hand on the ears so can I still get comfort.
That's the thing, you never listen.
What you want for breakfast?
Ice
What I'm
one.
about to do now, I did it already. So I think the video I got so nice. Like the first one when we did record, because you know I'm not home. I'm gonna bring all of the items them this trip with me that I got from her. But me still gonna come and putting it on, because when we wear like, you know, the little nice stuff them, when I always ask me like, girl, where you find stuff for plus size? It's so hard to get plus size clothes, especially swimwear. And that's very true. But don't worry, because my girl over Waterbody JA have everything look really nice. I'm gonna insert some pictures because most of the stuff them when I get from her, I wear them already. To my plus size baby them, trust me, I don't have to worry when it comes on to swimwear. And she's Waterbody JA on Instagram, so just go over to her Instagram and just look through her page and message her. She's really nice. And this is my recent one. This come with the shorts. So this is a 3-piece. Me love this. Me I plan to wear the one here probably tomorrow. So when we see that on Instagram, I don't have no picture at all in this because I never wear it. So these are the underwear. And this is the top. Look a little bit confusing, but trust me, when it reach on, so nice. I love the boobs part, really nice. So you just wrap it around. When I see the picture, so this nice, and it comes with the shorts. The shorts they're out there, so but when you get it, the shorts look exactly the same way. So you can just put on this, put on the shorts, or if you don't want to put on the underwear, just put on the shorts and this. And she not only have bathing suit. Look at these. The visor hat them cute down. Look on that one here, guys. Look at this one. This one is so cute. Wait there, can't do that. I have to take off this. Look at this. This is so cute, and I love the color. And you know the funniest thing, I bought one and she gave me one as a gift. How sweet. Thank you so much, baby girl. Think of the one here she did give me. No, she gave me this, and I bought this. Yeah, yes, and the one here, you know, because I did buy it for match. No, I don't remember. But I know she gave me one for free. I'm glad. Look at this. Guys, something just come to me. Then know me this. But it's Waterbody JA on Instagram. I'm gonna put the link to her Instagram in my description box, and I'm also gonna put it, or pin it rather, in my comment section. So go over there and check out my girl. The gardener gave us banana. How nice. Oh, and the breadfruit. The breadfruit that we had right now too, he gave it to us. 2 and a banana. So right now we're at a few supermarkets. I grabbed few stuff because we're staying at an Airbnb. And you know we're gonna need stuff for cook and you know to munch and oh, this is pretty.
No paint.
Guys, the intro was an epic fail. So I'm gonna try again tomorrow and hopefully it turn out good. Jason just sit down and watch me. I don't know Jason not gonna come in the water. Jason and do the water thing. When me in the water, I just sit down and watch him just a smile. Because Jason love when I enjoy myself. Even if I'm not doing nothing, him just want me to just have fun. So I'm gonna go over there, keep him company, and we just chat and laugh. Look at this cute stuff.
Yeah.
I love this one. Let me take out that one here for myself. It's cute, right? The opener. So I take them 2 here, but me I look something else. May I come around there? Me soon come around there. I think maybe I just work with them 2 here. Look at this. You know what that is? Guys, look at this cute bracelet. It's really nice.
Got the bag that matches the
This nice here?
yeah, the one there. You have the earpiece. This is going in your ear. You have the little purse. All set out.
It's nice. This nice, but me like that one here more. Nice little beach bag. How much for this? Guys, one thing, comment and let me know. Number 1 or number 2. I think me gonna go with that one here. Cause me love the cover up.
Cascrole in White River.
Oh yeah, Cascrole in White River.
Beyond. From support. Beyond.
Yeah. I don't know, I just like it. I don't know, I like unusual stuff. But yeah, that's enough spending fee there. I'm gonna just have one more drink and then we're gonna go home. The intro was an epic fail because of the sun and then the salty water because watch your crab, babe.